Hello, I just want to quickly show those of you who have never used Adobe Spark just how easy it is. So I'm at the Adobe Spark homepage. However, because I already have an account, there's not an option for me to register for free. So I'm just going to quickly switch to this page. And it says how to set up Spark. Navigate to sparkadobe.com. Click Start New for free. It's in a yellow bubble on the upper right of your screen. And then click and enter your information to sign in using your Adobe account. Google account, Facebook account, whatever. You will use your Google credentials through the Marshfield High School for that. All right. So now I'm going to come back to this page, and once you register your free account, you're going to click in the upper right hand corner, sign in, and I just choose continue with Google, and it automatically signs me in. And you have all of these options, okay? And I'm going to be honest with you, when I first started using Adobe Spark to create that model that I showed you in the last video recording, I chose collage because that's what we're doing. We're doing a collage. However, I ran out of room, and I'll show you. So right here, this is the one. Let's see if I can click on it. This is the one where it says my post. That was me choosing the collage tool. It's going to take a little time to get there. And you can see how it looks here, all of this information. I just didn't have enough room for it. You can see a lot of the same content, but I didn't have enough room for it. So I didn't stick with that, and in fact, what I did choose was the web page. Okay, I chose the web page down here. That's the one I showed you. So for me, this is the template that I chose, and so if you want something similar to what I did, knowing you're going to have plenty of room, you could choose web page. I'm sure a presentation would work out fine as well. However, the collage just turned out like a little post for me, and it just didn't look very good. But you can see that there's options. You can scroll back either way, and there's options. So if you want to see your projects, you just click this folder and it'll take you to all of your projects. This button here navigates back home. And if you want to choose, you want to make a new project, which all of you will be doing, you're going to click the plus button, and then it offers you these same categories that I just showed you over here. You can do them all if you want, but we're just going to choose web page. Okay? And it's so simple. It just says add a title. You just click and add your title of Mice and Men. I'm not sure. Maybe you're going to choose, instead of a character, maybe you're going to choose social criticism. Okay, so let's think of some of the social criticisms that we've talked about. We've talked about the treatment of those with disabilities. We've talked about racism, sexism, discrimination. We've talked about the hardships of migrant workers. There's so many that we've talked about. Let's just put down here for a social critique. Let's use the treatment of those with disabilities. It's as simple as that. Okay, so let's say you want to use an image. Okay, all you're going to do is click this little plus button. You click photo, it'll find you photos. You can upload photos from your iPad or your computer, whatever device you're using at the time. So let's just, I don't know, upload a photo. I'm just going to look in mine. I don't know if I'm going to have anything for of mice and men. Yeah, I'll have some in here for of mice and men. I'm just going to choose right here. This is one I've used before. And I'm just going to just have to go back and get it again. There. Click it. Open. And there. It puts it in the back for me. Okay? And scroll to start writing your story. So I'm just going to click the scroll button. I can add a focal point. I can replace this if I want. I can delete it if I want. I can do anything I want to do with it. So let's say that I'm done with that and I want to add a new image. I have the title and I'm done with that and I know what social critique I'm using, and now I want to start talking about a particular character. Okay, I can add a text box here, I can add a video, another photo. It just depends on, and you saw my model, so it really just depends, but it's just that easy. You're just clicking the plus button and choosing whatever option you want. That's all you're doing. And it automatically saves it for you, so you don't have to worry about that. You can always go to setting and show a header and footer if you want. When you want to present it, you go into presentation mode, which we don't have much on there, but that's how you would do that. And then if you want to share it, so when you're done with it, you would click publish and share link here. Whoops. And yes, sometimes things go wrong. So let's try that again. Publish and gotta love technology. When you're making a video, it of course has to do that. Let's see if we can send it to Google Drive, or if it's going to tell us oops. Okay, so I could send it to my Google Drive right now if I wanted to. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to click the back button and go back to where I was. Might take a few minutes here, but that's okay. Again, I really want to show you, all you have to do is click publish and share link. Okay, good. Now, this time it worked. So I would just copy this link and, oh, yeah, I made some changes. Update link. It's pretty fast technology. It's noticing changes I made that I forgot about. I didn't even do much on it. So again, here you can copy the link so you can share it with your teacher when you submit it to the summative strand in Canvas. So that's about it. Really, you just have to get in there and play a little bit with Adobe Spark. It's so simple though. It's really just a matter of you clicking the plus buttons right here, and it's offering you so many options. You can look up videos, whatever you choose to do for your project. But again, just remember, please don't choose the collage because there's just not enough room. Okay, definitely you want to choose the web page. There's more room there. And that's how you use Adobe Spark. Thanks for listening.